we are the Biology Bros. The special reason we are committed to this episode of our talks is to explain clearly everything you need to know about a healthy stomach. I'm Luis Emilio.
And his partner Emanuel Galindo. So, it's obvious that a good stomach is key because digestion influences our energy, well-being, and even our mood. So, if you ever experience stomach discomfort, this show is for you. Everyone here, including me, asks himself the same question. Does stomach health really matter?
The answer is yes. Many people really don't pay much attention to their digestion until they experience discomfort. But in reality, the stomach is essential for our overall health.
Exactly. This is where nutrients from food are absorbed. If the digestive system isn't functioning well, the body doesn't get what it needs, which can affect the immune system, energy, metabolism, and even mood.
It happens frequently, like when you are hungry, you doesn't want anybody to disturb.
I didn't know that.
Seriously, a stomach helps prevent diseases such as gastritis, reflux, and intestinal problems.
Previously, you mentioned that there are stomach diseases. Am I wrong?
Correct. Sometimes our body gives us signals that something isn't right with our digestion. But don't worry, these symptoms are not really dangerous.
The most common are heartburn or reflux, bloating, frequent gas, stomach pain, and constipation or diarrhea. If these symptoms occur frequently, it's a sign that we need to review our eating habits and lifestyle.
That's right, you are going to be okay. Don't panic and always go for a medical revision. Let's talk about digestion. A balanced diet can make a big difference in our digestion, which is a process where the body absorbs the essential nutrients to perform different tasks inside our organism.
Right, but before you complain, please eat all your fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. That's because it prevents constipation and internal microbiota.
Another fundamental are probiotics, which help maintain healthy stomach flora, and we find them in yogurt, cheese, and fermented foods.
Finally, something very important that we must avoid excess are saturated fats and processed sugar, as they can cause inflammation and slow digestion, contrary to the fibers. Hello again. Would you believe me if I say that it's not all about diet?
Glad.
There are also habits that can improve our digestion. Here are some tips for you. Eat slowly and chew well. Drink enough water, avoid stress, as it affects the digestive system. Exercise regularly. Don't go to bed immediately after eating and concentrate while eating.
Please don't watch Instagram reels while eating. It isn't worth.
Now, let's answer some common questions about digestive health that more than one may be wondering the truth. First question, is it good to drink water with meals?
Yes, but in moderation. Drinking too much water while eating can dilute gastric juices and slow digestion.
Damn!
Second question, is it normal to feel bloated after eating?
It always depends. If it's occasional, it could be for eating quickly. But if it's frequent, it could be a sign of food intolerance or digestive problems.
You will need to go to the doctor.
Last question. Do home remedies actually work?
Some do, like which help with digestion and some improved.
I always thought it was only flavored water. I think I'm wrong.
And with this one, we conclude our episode of today's talk.
If you like this podcast, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. We will be glad to see you in the next episode of Biology Bros, Biology Bros.